friends, thanks for joining me today. Today I am going to do a project share for Beebeecraft. Before we get into it, I want to tell you real quick about the Beebeecraft YouTube program. If you'd like to join, you need 100 subscribers. You will order product of your choice and they will send it to you free of charge. Then you will make 3 videos. One is an unboxing of the products that you received, and then the other 2 will be project shares showing how you used the items that you received. I will have the link to the YouTube program in my description box so that you can apply if you'd like to. Also, while I'm on all that good stuff, I wanted to mention to you that I am an affiliate for Beebeecraft, so if you ever would like free shipping or a discount code, if you can look at any of my videos, and I will have that in my description boxes, all of them. So if you want free shipping or a discount, you might as well take advantage of it. I forgot to mention, also in my description box, I will have the links to each of the items that I used in this video as well. The first thing we're going to use are these cute little donuts. And I think what I'd like to do is make some fun tags. We're going to put some of those on the tie. That's what I think we're going to do. So let's get started. I hope everyone's doing great, and if you are enjoying this video, I hope you will smash that like button. Okay, I have decided on using these 4 cards and embellishing them. The first thing I would like to do is put the eyelets in. All right, so since this card has some cotton candy on it, I think I'm going to go ahead and add this really fluffy, wonderful trim that was sent to me in a Happy Mail by Pam Van E of Pam's Paper Place. So I'm going to put this down the edge first, and I'm going to be using Fabri-Tac to do that. That is so super cute. And then I feel that I'm going to go ahead and do 3 of the donuts right on this trim. And then I'm going to use some of this ribbon, and actually both of these are from Beebeecraft. I see that there's a little bit of a purplish color in this card, so I have some purple trim also, and that was from Beebeecraft also, so I'll make sure I link that too. Oh yeah, look how nicely that goes. So we'll do that, and then we'll do that. So we'll do those 2. Okay. I like to gather the ends together, and then I fold them in half, and then they fit through the eyelet really easily. And then once that's done, I just put it in a double knot. I know people tie their ribbon on their tags sometimes different from this. I just do it this way because they stay secure and the ribbons don't come undone. And give each one a little tug. Make sure I got it tight. Feels good. There we go. Now I'm just going to trim the ends of the ribbon down so they're even and at an angle. Now we've got these 3. It just so happens that there are actually some blue dots on these donuts, like they're sprinkles. There's yellow and blue, and then in red it says love. So I have some blue ribbon here. This is a nice satin ribbon. It's Martha Stewart, and I found a pack of her variety ribbon in blue and in pink, and I got it on clearance at Michael's. I noticed my Fabri-Tac was showing through the ribbon, so I put a thinner strand of Beebeecraft blue satin ribbon right across there, and then that's what I ended up adhering the little donuts to. It is ready for the ribbon, so I'm going to use these 3 to see if I can put them together so I can slide them through the eyelet real easily.
I've decided to do 3 of these cards instead of 4, and I have chosen to use this one that says stay cool, and I have this adorable pink pom-pom trim. That was from the Martha Stewart pack that I had found on clearance. So I put that along the bottom, and I have chosen some coordinating satin ribbon. And actually, I'm going to put the donut, I'm going to wind the satin ribbon through the donut and then just tie it. And then I'm going to put that through the eyelet along with some other ribbon and then tie those off. And here they are. I think this was a fun way to use those little donuts I got from Beebeecraft.
All right, friends, the next items that we are going to be using are, I bought this bag of beads. They are fall colors and truly they are beautiful. And this is a kit. This kit comes with instructions on how to make bookmarks. And you can see here it shows how to use the eye pins with the beads. I do have these tools on hand already, so that won't be a problem. And then how you connect them. I thought what I would do is use, obviously, some of the beads that came in the kit, the eye pins, and as you can see, it came with charms. So I figure what I'll do is first pick out the charms that would go with the look of these. So let's see what we have. So I'm thinking, let's see, we have 2 Eiffel Towers. Those are really cool. So today we will make one of these. I'll make these off screen. Make one of those and one of those. And so for the feather, we'll definitely do a bird, and this one will do the Eiffel Tower. And then what we'll do is we're gonna add some of these beautiful fall colored beads to our mix. Look at these, aren't they gorgeous? Hi friends, so I wanted to show you my creations. So I used the leaf bookmarker, and from the actual kit, remember, these came in a kit with instructions. So with the kit, I used the red glass bead and the clear, and that was this kit here. And then from my from my fall pack of beads that I got from Beebeecraft is where I got this red one and these green ones, the white and the cream here. This brown glass bead came with the kit from the Bookmarks. You see some little tiny beads here. Those were from my own personal stash, but I just added them in because I wanted to. And I just wanted to point out that when you get a kit like this, you can make your items as simple as you'd like. These have just one little strand of items, or you can just not leave well enough alone like me, and you can get crazy with it. So let me show you the next one. So on this one, since I chose the charm of the Eiffel Tower, I thought I just felt like I wanted to go with a lot of purple. So that's what I did, and I got this purple bead and these lavender, kind of gray lavender from the bag of beads that I got from Beebeecraft in their fall colors. And then here's the glass, which came with the book set. Also these purple ones did too. And then for my own beads, I added some of my own, which would be these little colored ones here. Any of these tiny ones are mine. And then I had this one in my stash as well as this and this. Everything else came with either this bag of beads or this kit. I think they're lovely. I'm very excited about them. And I think I'll go ahead and list these in my Etsy shop because they're so pretty. I might actually give this one away with my Christmas journal, which is listed. So that I might go ahead and put with it. So I have to think about that. Anyway, these were a lot of fun, easy to do, and I enjoyed it very much. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.